Alright, I got some change back. See if I could get the real birds or something out of here. Let's see if I can try to go something. There's gotta be something I could get. Try right here for the real bird. Ooh, maybe. Actually, I could try to go for that Scooby-Doo right by the Eminem. Oh, nice stab. Wow. Ooh. Let me try for something else. Gotta get $1. Ew. Maybe if I go for that oh shoot. Damn, didn't take it. There we go. Maybe if I go for that sea turtle. Or actually, maybe that green M&M. If it gets a good clamp on his body. On her body. Oh, maybe. Oh! Ooh. Yeah. Maybe not. I'll go for the sea turtle. That way I can get the Tweety. Watch me get oh, moved, maybe. Oh, maybe not. Maybe if I can. Maybe if I can go for the Tweety. I'm trying to get one of the real birds. Ooh, maybe that might get the real bird. Grabs it by its neck. Yes. Oh! Ooh, maybe. These things are so thin. These real tubers are so thin. Oh, yes. It clamped. Yes, baby, yes. Oh, get in. Oh my god, no. No, that sucks. It's right there right by the pie chute. Oh my god, no. I need him. Let's get a first try right here. Good stab. Oh, that's perfect. Get in there. Yes, thank you. Got one of the real birds. Okay, now let's... no, this scoop is not gonna work. What should I... Oh look, 2 in a row. Oh, screw it. Okay, well. Got the real bird. Very nice.